very good day to all of you. As you all know that we are working on the series of parts of speech, and this is the first that is about noun. In the last video I told you thoroughly about the form, function and meaning. How do we detect the word noun from a sentence, and what function it plays, what is its form, and what does it mean. They are very important to know about. Now, in this video we will talk about the kinds of the noun, how many types of nouns you can find around when you read, when you work on the parts of speech. Okay, the most common, the very familiar, you all will definitely be familiar with it, that is proper and common noun. We can put it into a bracket to tell what is proper and common noun. Proper noun is always about an individual, a specific place, a specific person, like Qasim and Bloomfield Hall, Lahore. If any person, place, individual has a specific name, it will come into the category of proper noun. And keep in mind that proper noun will not take any article before the article a and the. So, proper noun will not take a, and or the in front of them. The will occur in the case if you will talk about the whole family, like the Smiths, the Khan, but that is another matter. The Khans. Now we are talking about the whole clan, the whole caste. Otherwise, proper noun don't take article in front of them. Now we will talk about the common noun. Common noun, as the name suggests, are very common. Everything around you has a name, and it comes into the category of noun, like table, chair, pot, clock, bed, glass. Let me write few examples, and after that I'll tell you the interesting thing about them. Table, chair, light, camera, okay, and bed. What you can do with these common nouns, you can change them into plural. If you add s in front of them, they will become plural as well. Tables, chairs, cameras, strands, clocks, whatever and whatever. And you can add article in front of the common noun, that is a, and the. So these are the very common types of kinds of nouns. Okay, now moving towards the next types of nouns are count and mass. Okay, for your convenience, count mean countable noun and mass mean the nouns that we cannot count. Okay, keep in mind that all the common nouns that can be changed into plural or come into the category of countable noun, like table could be tables. Okay, you can put numbers in front of them, articles in front of them, like a table, one table, two chairs. So countable mean the nouns that you can count easily. Chair, again the whole example that I put in the last example will come here. Count mean the nouns that you can count, and mass mean uncountable noun that you cannot count. Like you cannot say sugar, sugars. You cannot make the plural of sugar. You cannot make the plural of gold. You cannot make the plural of happiness. So they come into the category of mass noun or uncountable noun that you cannot count. But if you wanna bring them in a countable category, so you can say, please bring me a spoon of sugar. I need a spoon of sugar, or I need Anyhow, we can add many and we can add much. How much sugar do you need? How much flour do you need? Can I bring a glass of water for you? So we can add such kind of phrases in front of them to make them countable. Anyhow, the difference between count and mass is count are countable nouns and mass are the nouns that we cannot count. Sugar, salt, oil, and so on and so on. By moving towards the next examples is concrete and abstract. Very fine and easy and common definition for these is concrete means solid. The things that you can touch, like cup, glass, fan, window, mobile, marker, duster, board. I can feel them by using my senses and by touching them. Okay, so they are called concrete or solid noun. Let me write few examples for you. The things that you can touch are called touched by your hand. So if you will use your sense of touch, they will come into the category of concrete noun, like sofa that you sit on it, pencil that you write with it, notebook that you use for writing, and door that you open with your hand, so on and so on. Now moving toward the abstract noun. Abstract noun is that you can just feel, and you cannot feel it with your hands, with your eyes, with your you can just feel it by your heart, like happiness, like grief, sorrow, and joy, sorrow, optimism, and happiness, grief, kind of things that you just feel. You cannot touch them. You cannot bring them in your five senses. They occur basically in your brain. They bring that notion into your brain that whether the environment is happy or grief or sad, and you act accordingly. Okay, these are called concrete and abstract nouns. Now moving towards the next kind is collective noun. Collective noun. The very interesting thing about collective noun is these words, if they come into the singular form, they will give the plural meaning. And if they will come into the plural form, they will be singular but gives you the plural. They act vice versa. Okay, let me give you a few examples. Family, police, army, government, kind of. Now, let me give you the example. My family is in Lahore. Now look at the subject-verb agreement. This is family. Family here is a noun and it is coordinating with the verb is. Family is. Family is a collective noun, but you can use it as singular. Okay, so collective noun serve to both purposes. They can be singular in a plural sentence and they can be plural in a singular sentence. Like, again, army, else your army supposed to take care of borders. Take care of borders of any country. So again, army here is a collective noun. Army, police, government, all these nouns are collective noun. So far what we have learned, let's do the wrap up. That nouns have 5 types, 5 kinds, and what they are? They are, number 1, common. Number 2, proper. Number 3, concrete. Number 4, abstract. Number 5, count. Number 6, mass. Number 7, collective. Hope this lesson will be informative for you. If you have any question, any query, do write in the comment section. I will answer it, and till then, next video, very goodbye to all of you.